They're secure. And the doors open towards you.
Walter and Sirens, please make please stay on the graded floor.
We go back further.
Is that? Mind you, before you get eaten. Ha-ha! Gotcha! Oh! What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over! The cages are open and the creatures are loose! You gotta get out of here! Wait! Don't get out of here! I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found his tiny little heat signatures, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm parents makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
Just like remember, like there was like all the things, but then they added that stuff. Party 8 guys, coming. No? Okay, where's the rest of that party of 8?
Yeah.
Stay together, guys.
Thank you.
How many do you have, guys?
We have 3.
3? Down that way? 2 down that way.
I guess it broke down. So they're walking us through this weird area here to a different elevator. This is a first.
For hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your turn, children.
Sarah, I'll start with row 3, top right. Row 4, top left. Row 2, the middle right. Row 5, the middle left. Row 1, the front right.
Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious.